Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be working on this February page, which normally in a Happy Planner it's called the Currently page, and it is from the Teresa Collins. This is what I did for my February monthly, and I actually want to match this, so I'm going to still work with the Recollections floral sticker book, and we're gonna go from there. And I think I'm going to be keeping the peaches and the pinks, and I did pull out my washi tape that is kind of like flower petals, and this pink completely matches the pink in the sticker book, so I thought that was a pretty nice addition. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay this down, and while I do that, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. You are making my day every day, because as you guys know, I absolutely love planning, so my obsession with planning is real, and you guys are almost like feeding it, so thank you for that. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell next to it. Okay, without further ado, so I want to go ahead and continue. I'm making my own currently page, so I'm going to be writing out the things that I'm doing currently. First and foremost, I'm going to put this beautiful box down, and it's going to be for little notes for the month for me, like birthdays and dates and so on. And then I'm going to take this really beautiful box, and I'm going to go ahead and put it down for currently, so I can write out currently and go from there. This pen that I'm using, it is the Sipa pen. It is the 3.8, and it is called a fine liner, and I really like how these write. No, I can't hand letters, so I'm doing this, and it is what it is. I'm not going to try to pretend something that I'm not. I can't hand letter. My handwriting is okay. It's not fabulous. I can read it. Most people can read it, so I'm okay with that. I hope you are too. Okay. This box is just so pretty, and I'm going to go ahead and add a couple more flowers before I write stuff down. So I want these big beautiful flowers here. I want to see if I can add another box, maybe like next to it, to make it look more finished, and I think that might work. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, I'm leaving it just like this. So let's write all of the currently, so it's reading. I'm putting down writing, even though that's normally not a prompt. Cooking. Eating. And I'm listing these out first to kind of see where I have room for decoration, because I want to make sure that I am able to list all of these. So eating, loving, dreaming, and then I can make another column. But that's why I write them out first, because I really love looking back at these. I think these bring me a lot of joy when I look at them. So feeling, listening, celebrating, going, crafting, and now I know that I have enough room to add some florals, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so here's the first one, and I'm just gonna lay it on top of that washi. And I think that's so gorgeous. And of course, I can't have a lonely flower, so we're gonna add another one of these somewhere else, maybe on the top. Let's see. Let me white out that line, and then I can add this flower, because otherwise it's going to show through. These are clear. And I'm gonna add this beautiful peach flower. I'm gonna do it so it doesn't affect my prompts. Beautiful. So I've been reading lots of romance lately. I think it makes me happy and it puts me in a good mood. I've been writing oh, I am missing watching. Let's add that. So we started watching Mr. Robot. That's quite interesting. Crafting is planner, as always. Of course, I love it. Going. New house. Work and back. Celebrating the new home. It's a big event in my life that I'm really excited about. So yeah, and we're also celebrating our relationship. I've been listening to the podcast Calva Plan. That's a good one. I love listening to interviews, and of course Criminal, because where does the girl get her suspense? Criminal. Feeling excited. Okay. A few more things I have to add before we're done. And I'm thinking hard, so we're almost done. I'm writing in my journal. I've been so good about this ever since I switched to vertical journal. I don't think I have missed a day of journaling. Pretty awesome, right? Cooking. I've been cooking at home. So that's pretty exciting for me, and I'm kind of going back to basics with cooking and doing simple things like chicken and rice, and kind of reinventing the wheel, so to say. We've been eating home meals. I've been loving every second with my boyfriend. And dreaming, being moved and organized. And that's what I'm dreaming of. If I could do that, I would be happy internally. Okay, and just writing out some special dates. So 14th, obviously, and 25th I have something, and the 29th I have something. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Bye!